Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can screen record on your iPhone 15 Pro. If you want to screen record, you can easily access that by going to your drop down menu, and then you would find that here. Right now you don't see it here because we first have to add it, and for that we need to go to our settings, and then we want to go to Control Center, and here you see the things that are added. So the flashlight, timer, calculator, camera, and screen mirroring. And then when we scroll down, we can also add screen recording. So we'll add that. Then we go back, and when we go to our drop down menu, we have a screen recording here. If we want to record our screen now, we can turn that on. We get a little countdown, and now it is recording, and you can't set any other settings here. You can simply record that. If you go to your drop down menu again, you can stop it by clicking there, and then recording save to photos. So we will now go to our photos, and now we have our screen recording here. And now when we go to photos, we have our recording here, so we can edit it as well, cut it, adjust it, put filters on it and stuff like that. And then when you're done, you can save it to your photos and, well, make as many screen recordings as you like. So that's how you can screen record on your iPhone 15 Pro. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.